everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. I have my two subscriptions. I have my Lux box, and I have my premium box. Usually I like my boxes, but this month I'm really looking forward to use them. So let's just start. I have my trusty coffee on the back because I desperately need to be waking up. So yeah, this came in a really good moment. In both of my boxes, I have a lot of skincare, which I don't mind at all. I'm really into that. As lately, I'm going to just show you the product that I'm going to use and let you know in which box I got that one. I'm going to start with my Lux box, and this is the Give Me Them Lala Skin Stay Calm Smoothing Cheat Mask, and this retails for $30. This is a new launch. I really like cheat mask. Assumably, there are 4 cheat masks in this package. As soon as I can open it, put on for 10 to 20 minutes. Usually I leave it as much time as I can. Yeah, it is really wet, but good. And there I have it, and let me remove the rest of the cover. It has already passed, and now I'm gonna take this off or remove it. Still, I have a lot of the product in my face. I'm gonna massage it into my skin so it would be absorbed. Now the next product that I'm gonna go for is this from my Lux box. This is Clean Skincare. This is the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Good. It has a pump and also a cap. I didn't take a full pump, but almost one entirely. And I'm going to, it feels really thick, which I don't mind, but this I will have to see how it wears under makeup. But so far, yeah, I like this a lot. It has a really soft scent to skincare. And now we're gonna go for this other product. This is from my premium box, and this is the new code. This is the Peel All-in-One Serum. This retails for $85. Has AHA plus vitamin C plus HA, which is hyaluronic. It has kind of a, I don't know, more towards a cream consistency, but when you rub it into your hands, it feels like a light, and the finish is a little bit lotiony. The next product that I'm going to use is this one. This is also from my premium box. This is Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Mask. This retails for $24. It has 12 pairs of eye patches. The packaging, and it feels, yeah, like a regular presentation for eye patches. So I'm trying my best to apply them as near as I can to my eye area so I can benefit entirely from it. The time has already passed, and I didn't put them back where they started it, because I wanted to really enjoy everything that they could do for my under eye area, and I really like it. The next product came in my premium box, and this is the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. It retails for $32. Apply a pearl size amount. It comes in a, I don't know, old school regular primer packaging. It has a smell, a skincare smell, sweet and nice. It is a lot more liquidy than I thought, but let's just dot it in, and I'm going to just disperse this in my entire complexion. This is how we are looking so far. I really like how my complexion is looking. If I'm gonna be totally honest, I could just go and do my things without any makeup at all, just wearing this kind of a complexion. But since we have a lot of other stuff to go through, the next product that I'm going to use, it is a foundation, and I'm really happy because yeah, I am a little bit curious of this brand. I have never used anything from it, but in the other hand, yeah, almost everybody likes it, and that's why I was curious about it, but I didn't jump at the wagon to actually buy anything from it. But thankfully, Boxycharm sent it my way. So it's this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is something that everybody that has tried it has enjoyed it and loved it. This retails for $44. The shade, and I hope that I did a good match shade for myself. I chose the 5.5 neutral, and I really hope that I did a good job. It has a glass component, a really nice eye-catching, fancy looking bottle. It has a pump, and I hope that this does match me. Yay! I did a good job, yeah. I'm gonna put a star in my forehead. Yeah, I did a really good job matching myself. So now I'm gonna go for a brush because I enjoy using a brush for my application method, and I'm gonna breeze through that a little bit. So I just have finished up applying the foundation to my entire complexion. I put a full pump in the back of my hand, but as you can see, I didn't totally use it. Also, remember that I don't like a full coverage, so I really try my best to just have a light layer of foundation in my entire complexion. It just looked like a nice regular foundation. I don't see that my skin looks flawless, just my skin looks like skin, which is what I would normally go for. I'm gonna do the rest of my complexion stuff, and then we're gonna come back because the other product that I have that I can use, I think it is a eyeshadow palette, and I have already primed my lids. Also, I'm not liking much the foundation. I think that it isn't a good combination, all the skincare that I apply. This is the Complex Culture Beauty Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. This retails for $32, and it says that I can use this every time that I want to get a refresh and instant feel of hydrated, revitalize, and protect skin. So since I have set my entire complexion, I'm gonna use this to lessen the powdery effect that I have, or the matte face that I have. So I love this packaging. This really soft matte kind of I don't know, it was supposed to be black and have this grayish, but I really like this a lot. So yeah, loving the aesthetic of it. So let's just see. And now I like a little bit better my complexion. It looks a little bit more normal skin, a little bit of a glowiness and radiance in it. Yeah, now we are talking. I like the finish that this gave my complexion. I was sent is this one from Natasha Denona. This is the Cupid eyeshadow palette. This retails for $48. These are the mini ones. And this is the color story. That's why I use a really light pink blush. I'm gonna breeze through this part because if not, we're gonna stay here to the end of times. So the next product that I'm going to use, it came in my premium box, and it's this from Aether Beauty. This is the Big Bang Mascara. This retails for $28. And I love the component. It is this kind of a mother pearl finish and a little bit matte. Also from Aether Beauty, I have already tried an eyeshadow palette, which previous video is using that one, and also I got it in a Boxycharm. This is the one. It is kind of a cone. I have lash extensions, so I'm just going to use it in my bottom lashes. So I'm going to try to be as careful as I can to not stain my bottom part. I really like how black it is, but as I said, it's really liquidy, and usually with this kind of mascaras, it needs to age a little bit to get to the point that I can actually enjoy them. I'm gonna go, I think, to my last product, which is from my looks box. The last product that I'm gonna use from my subscriptions is this. This is from Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. This retails for $25. Oh, I love the component. It is this matte soft white component. I really like the aesthetic, and this is a rose gold one, and the doe foot applicator is really different. I think that this is going to hug. Yes, it is hugging perfectly my bottom lip. I think I'm gonna go through this really quickly because it doesn't look that has a lot of product inside. This is supposed to plump smooth lines and give you a little bit of a gloss. The gloss, yes. The plumping, I have the stinging sensation that usually comes with these plumping products. It's nothing overwhelming. I don't mind. It's kind of nice. About the smoothing line part, yeah, I really like milky glossy tones. So yes, I will use this a lot more than that I thought. Also, I have a couple of products from both of my boxes that I haven't or I can't use so far. So from my looks box, the first one is this from Franken Body Perk Sculpting Body Hydrator. This retails for $19.25. The next product that I'm really curious about it, and I'm gonna tell you why in a couple of seconds. This is from Drybar. This is a liquid glass miracle smoothing sealant. This retails for $34. And why I'm so intrigued with this, because this is a freeze fighter, and the other thing is that you apply this and supposedly gonna last you for 3 shampooing. So yay for that. And it's supposed to protect your hair from heat, which is another good thing. The next product that I got in the chance to use, it is this from Juice Bar. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. This retails for $32. Why I haven't used it? Because I film in the morning and I don't film at night, so I just got this and I haven't got the chance to actually use it. If by any chance I get the opportunity to use any of the products that I didn't show in this video, I will put an insert of me using them and a pinned comment of which is my opinion from it. From my premium box, the only product that I didn't got the chance because of the same reason that I didn't use the other ones is this from Aromatherapy Associates Distress Muscle Gel. This retails for $40. And hell yeah, I'm gonna use this because I start training again. And every part of your body when you start training, it really says hello in a way that you don't enjoy it. So yes, I'm really looking forward to use this. And I already made a mess. It has a little bit of a herbal scent to it, a minty one, which is kind of a normal or something that you expect to get when you are using something for pain, muscle pain, relaxing. It's kind of a gel consistency, and also it feels like a gel when you apply it to your skin, and when you start rubbing it, it really absorbs fast and it doesn't leave a film or a tacky surface in your skin. this is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.